Say hi, Daddy. I love you. Miss you. Say I'm getting toys. Toys, man. What is it? The doggy? Be careful. Octopus. Is that octopus?
Yeah.
Is that what Daddy tells you?
Marion 21, please. Marion, call 21.
Say hi, Daddy. I love you. Say I love you. Hey, say I love you, Daddy. Say I love you, Daddy. Give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Nah.
Good girl. You want to get down?
Yeah.
Come here. Want to go to another aisle now? Huh? Want to go to another aisle? Say bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Say hurry up home. Say hurry home. I think you're already in this aisle. See all the toys you brought down? Tell Daddy who's that.
All blackens all the time.
Who's that? Who's that? Say bye, Dad. Give a kiss.
Nah.
I love you. Say I love you.
Nah.
Love you. Brett.